when you get to the rubric and open it here, you'll just go down below the rubric where it says Insert Page Break. You can go over that part, press Control and then Enter, and it'll go right to the next page. This is already done for you. My template is already ready for you to do this. So all you need to do is take my name off and put your name in. And then just make sure your page number can fit on there. And you'll just enter down to the middle of the page. You'll put your name. It's going to be double spaced. The double spacing is up here. Just go to double. That. And we'll center it on the page. Like so. And then you'll, after the 18, Control Enter again, left align, and start it that way. And start your paper here. And your page numbers are already set and it's ready to go. When you get to your reference page, you'll center the word references on there. It's also double spaced. And when you do your hanging indent, you'll just take the bottom in 5 and take the top back over like that. And that way when you do that, your indent will work for you. I hope this helps. Thank you.